All right, I'm going to do a quick review on this closet light. As you see here, we have a closet. The hallway light is not the best for lighting it up. And like the middle is lit. So I got this, and it's a sensor light. So when you walk in, it'll turn on automatically. And it comes with a magnetic mount and a little sticky, and it has screws if you don't trust the sticky or if the sticky doesn't work out. So I'm going to try the sticky first. I'm just concerned, like if it does fall and this hits the ground, it might mess it up. You have a few settings here, and what I like about this so far, it's got the USB-C charging port. There's a battery in here, so and then you have a few settings, continuously on, and then the motion sensor and a few other things. So I'm going to show you quickly the difference. Let's put this baby on, and all right. I'm going to stick it on the inside of the door jamb so it doesn't blind you when it turns on, just facing the closet, and kind of like got it about head length. And as you see it, it's lighting up the bottom pretty well. And this is a tall closet. It goes up about 9 feet, and up there, not too bad. So what I'm going to do is get a little sticky and stick it right there on the door jamb. All right, and what I'm going to do is just wipe this pretty clean first, so just to get any like dust or any dirt off, and then I'm going to put the sticky on and see how it works. Okay, so what's good is they give you 2 stickies in case one messes up, and they're double-sided. So we're going to peel one side off, and then we're going to stick it on the location, which will be right here. Okay, so we got one side. Get that there. Get that ready. Okay, take a napkin. Put some spray on it. Make sure we wipe this area clean. Okay. Get the sticky. See if we can do it pretty straight. And let's see right there. Very good. All right. Press it down good. Feels like it's on there pretty firm. Decently level. And if you wanted to be a little anal about it, you can get a little level, draw a line on here with a pencil, and then put the sticky against it to make sure it's level. And all right, so I'm going to start peeling away at this, and I'm not going to torture you, make you watch me, because this could take a while. So I'm going to put the camera down. Okay, I got it started. What a pan, but you can barely see it. All right, so next we're going to put the mount on there, make sure this is clean. And actually this is plastic with a metal insert. So this part is metal, the outside is plastic. So let's get this ready. Let me zoom out a bit. And all right, and we're going to press and hold it for, I'd say, 30 seconds. And this is skipping reading the directions, but from what I remember from all my other sticky applications, they say press and hold for like 30 to 60 seconds. All right, now we're getting ready to just stick this in the magnetic mount. Now, all along here, there's only one spot it'll stick to, and I'm trying to, it'll see right here where it says magnet. That's what a magnet is. It's only in one location on this, so if you try and stick it anywhere else, it's not going to hold. So, there we go. See, so magnet area right there, And now what's nice about this is you can spin it and angle it a bit. So I'm just gonna take it down and get it ready to rock and roll. And let's see, we're gonna put it on the moon, which I guess is your basic setting. And then we're gonna come in unsuspectingly and see. I don't know what the timer is set for, but I'm gonna wait for this to go off, and then we're gonna come back in fresh. Okay, I'm gonna shut off the hallway light for a better effect, and then we're gonna walk into the closet. And I just waved my hand in front of it, and looking good. So there's really no help from any extra light except for this closet light that I just put in. And wow, okay, so looking good so far. I think I may wait a few days before I finish this video just to see if this continually works. And let's take a quick look at the directions. And this looks like it stays on for about maybe 30 seconds. And see, it just went away. So let's go back in and move a little bit. Yeah, okay. Not bad. Okay, here's the part I was looking for. Okay, so they got a completely off mode. They have two auto modes. One is the moon one, which is, I guess, the night, and one's the day one. And so the auto night mode, the light will turn on when it senses motion. When it's dark, it turns off automatically. 20 seconds after you walk away, it stays off during the day to save battery. Auto night mode is great for kitchen. And then you have the auto day one, which has that little sunlight icon. And it says the light will turn on when it senses motion both day and night. It turns off automatically 20 seconds after you walk away. Auto and day-night mode is great for closet and inside cabinet. And then you have the always on mode, which is good. And there's one more thing. I want to show you how you charge it and what the light looks like when it's charging. Okay, so this is the USB-C cable charging. And then, so you plug it in right here, and then you have that little red charging light. And I already pre-charged it. I'm just plugging it back in, but when it's done, this will be green. So there you go. If this helped you out, I really appreciate it if you click the thumbs up button and subscribe. I got a lot of cool stuff coming up. Thanks for watching.